The cast and the crew of popular TV show Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma are finally back on the sets and they can't contain their happiness. Well, after spending lots of months at home during lockdown, the cast of the show is making sure that they capture every small happy moment after reuniting on the sets. Well, it was earlier that Mandar Chandekar, aka Mr. Atmaram Bhide, shared a selfie of him with his co-star from the sets of the sitcom. Well, now Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma director Malav Rajda shares the behind-the-scenes pictures as the cast and the crew resume shooting. The picture features Dilip Joshi, aka Jethalal, and others performing a particular scene. On Instagram, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma director Malav Rajda shared the picture from the sets of the show. The picture shared by the director features Dilip Joshi, aka Jethalal, Mandar Chandekar, who plays the character of Mr. Atmaram Bhide, the tuition teacher on the show, and Raj Anantkar, who plays the role of Tapu. Rajda shared a picture clicked by him from the director's seat behind the monitor. The picture sees the actors of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma performing a particular scene and in conversation on the monitor screen. The director expressed how he feels after coming back to the sets of the show and resuming shoot again after months in lockdown. Sharing the picture from the sets of the sitcom, Rajda wrote in the caption, 4 महीने लॉकडाउन में बहुत टीवी देखा, बट ये टीवी देखने का मजा कुछ और ही है. Really missed it. In his caption, the Tarak Mehta director mentioned that he watched a lot of TV while he was home during the lockdown, but shared that watching his monitor is the best feeling ever. Well, he also revealed that he missed being on the sets of Tarak Mehta. Meanwhile, Bhide aka Mandar Chandekar shared a picture of him with Amit Bhatt, who plays Bapuji, and Dilip Joshi aka Jethalal. While the actors posed for a selfie on the sets, actress Munmun Datta, who plays the character of Babita Ji, photobombed the picture from the back and made it more special with her cuteness. Well, we don't know about the fact of what the audience and fans think, but we personally have missed the show Tarak Mehta and we are eagerly waiting for the upcoming new episodes of the show. We can't wait to see what is Tapu Sena going to do next in the show, and also how is Jethaji going to approach Babita Ji now post 4 months of lockdown. Well, मानिए ना मानिए, आने वाले एपिसोड्स में बहुत धमाल होगा क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल 4 महीने के लॉकडाउन के बाद पूरी कास्ट एंड क्रू इज completely recharged with all the new sorts of energy. You stay tuned to Telechakra and do tell us in the comment sections below if you also missed Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma during this 4 months of long lockdown. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakra's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.